everyone, I'm Sohana and welcome to my sneaker unboxing series. Today I'm going to review the Air Jordan 2 Sunset Haze Muslin. Actually, a lot of names have been floating on the internet. Some say it's sail, desert. Let's just call it Sunset Haze Muslin. So let's just unbox this shoe. But before I get into the shoe, just look at the box, look at the detailing. I love the wing logo and especially this side cutout over here. I think it looks beautiful. The box is definitely to add in your collection. I don't know if you collect boxes. I do. I have a separate storage in my house where I just store boxes of sneakers. I love sneaker boxes. There are times when I have bought sneaker just for the box. Now let's check out the shoe. I think this looks great in hand. Definitely looks better in hand than in pictures. And overall, I feel Air Jordan 2 is such an underrated silhouette, guys. Air Jordan 1 definitely rules, is the most popular one, and then the 3s and the 4s. But should not ignore the 2s as well. They also have an important role in the history. And look-wise, it is not bad at all. This is my first Air Jordan 2 silhouette. I also wanted the J Balvin ones, but I sort of couldn't get it. And honestly, I thought they were very expensive as well. Even at retail, the retail was at 26,000. But coming back to this pair, this is made of leather and the leather feels really good and gives that luxury feel to the entire shoe. It has this off-white color, off-white sail color running throughout, and on the overlay you see this tan snake skin, which I think looks pretty dope. I love the hits of color on this shoe, like this salmon pink peach color overlining on the mid panel, and then these gray color on the eyelets. I think these small detailing just makes all the difference. The tongue of the shoe is super soft and plush. It has this Air Jordan logo embossed on it in tan color, and the same tan color is used in the inner sock lining and the back side of the tongue. At the back of the shoe, you have the Nike logo embroidered, and then they have used a rubber material at the heel tab. I really like the use of different materials like the solid color leather on the upper, the snake skin and the mid panel, and then the rubber at the back. The insole is white with Nike Air logo with red color on it. I feel this insole doesn't really go along with the entire colorway. If this was in tan color with a white logo, it would look great. Moving on to the mid panel, it is made of polyurethane and with Nike Air unit on the heel tab, which makes it a super comfortable ride. Now the outsole has this beautiful mix of gray, peach and sail color tones with Nike logo at the center. Now that was about the material of the shoe. Overall, what we have over here is a super luxurious and plush sneaker silhouette. I think material-wise, they have used quite good and A-grade quality. Talking about sizing, it fits true to size. It is a little chunkier and heavy compared to the Air Jordan 1. And it has a little narrow this thing at the toe box. If you have a wide feet, you can go half size up. But if you have a narrow feet like me, then you can stick to your true size or go half size down. Now this sneaker retails at rupees 18,395 and it is still available at Wedge Non-Wedge, which is India's first multi-sneaker boutique and has a huge variety of sneakers. So you should definitely check it out. Now this is a very clean colorway and you can style with so many outfits, literally with any outfit in your wardrobe because it's just white and tan color and this will go with everything. So Jordan 2 is making a big comeback this year and I'm looking forward to what we have later this year. It also comes in two different forms. There is a high ankle and there is a low ankle Jordan 2. So you can choose as per your style. But this is worth a try. I feel this sneaker you can definitely add in your sneaker collection. It is a very different silhouette, not much hype, and easily available at Nike or at Wedge Non-Wedge. So yeah, easy to cop and easy to style. So I would like to know, what do you think about this pair? So tell me in the comments below. And if you like the video, then hit onto the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is mentioned over here. See you in my next video.